What's up, chuletas? Today we're going to be learning how to make black buttercream frosting. If you're new here and you enjoy cake tutorials, cake challenges, or any other cake related stuff, you might want to consider hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more videos. All right, let's get started. So to make black buttercream frosting, you're gonna need obviously some buttercream already, and you will need Hershey's Cocoa Special Dark Chocolate and some semi-sweet chocolate chips, and lastly, some black food gel coloring. So to start, I melted my chocolate chips in the microwave, and then I combined it with my buttercream. And just begin to mix the chocolate into the buttercream until it's well combined. Once that's it, you can now toss in the Hershey's Dark Chocolate Cocoa. And again, mix that up until well combined. If you want, you can sift the cocoa just so that you don't risk any like lumps and bumps inside the buttercream or whatever. But yeah, I didn't do it. It wasn't a problem for me, but if you feel more comfortable doing that, go ahead. And then you want to add in your black food gel coloring and mix that up real good. Once that's well combined, ta-da! You got your black frosting, girl. Look at this beautiful dark color. Like, come on now. And then right here, your girl's gonna pipe up a little dollop of buttercream so you can see how nice and stiff that buttercream is. Okay, girl, look at that. So let's say you have more buttercream than 2 cups of buttercream or less. You might want to just tweak the measurements. I highly recommend, if you're not following this exact recipe, you just add little by little, so that way it's not too much of cocoa powder or too much of chocolate where you ruin it. You know what I'm saying? So if you enjoyed watching this video and you learned anything, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, click the circle button right over here to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and also check these videos out.